In the Velata Lab, the goal of our research is really to understand how organisms adapt to really extreme environments. So we're interested in how deer mice themselves are living at these really high elevation habitats, but more importantly, they're also a really good proxy for what is happening to people who live at high altitude.
Our research is conducted in a lot of different places. Some of it is done most notably on top of Mount Blue Sky, which is really fun, up at 14,000 feet. And then the rest of our fieldwork happens sort of in a cascade down in elevation all the way from 10,000, 8,000, and then finally down in the plains at around 5,000 feet. And the how is going out and trapping live, wild deer mice and then conducting physiological and then also genomic measurements to look at the different variation in the populations and the individuals all in the field.
Our typical day in the Velata Lab while we're not up at Mount Blue Sky catching deer mice usually looks like showing up to our lab that's on the DU campus. And we spend a lot of our time actually on our computers, but we do really important work analyzing all of the data that especially the field crews generate so that we can really start to see the important patterns that are shaping how these deer mice are living at high altitude.
The ultimate goal of my research is to satisfy the childlike curiosity I have to understand how animals work. As part of that, our goals are to better human health by understanding mechanisms of adaptation and hopefully contribute to our understanding of climate change.
Our research is important because it takes something that seems really insignificant, like a mouse, and puts it in a really important context like climate change and can show us things that other animals and other species simply can't because they don't live at really harsh environments and at really harsh elevations. A lot of what's important to me is place-based research. The University of Denver has given me the opportunity to do exactly that, is to go out to a place that's right in our backyard and to actually hold and look at and interact with the animals that I'm then going to be taking samples from and analyzing in the lab. You're in the Rockies, and what's better than walking outside and seeing the mountain that you're going to be doing work on.